Hello and welcome to SchoolTonic. From this video we will see how to create Marksheet Builder. This tool will help you to create marksheet templates for your school. Suppose you want to generate the marksheet report with multiple columns. Then with the help of Marksheet Builder you can provide multiple columns for the report. With the help of this feature, that is Marksheet Builder, SchoolTonic gives you the privilege of creating multiple columns for the report of the marksheet based on your choice. So now let's see how we can create the marksheet template. For this, click on Configuration from this table. Click on Examination Master. From here, click on Marksheet Templates. In order to create a new marksheet template, click on New and from this window, choose the session name, the class name, the section name, choose the exam category and the marksheet template name. This marksheet template name is completely dependent on your choice. So put any marksheet template name. Say I'll put class class 1 A summative. Or simply let's put template 1. Okay, so this would be the marksheet template name. By default the serial number would appear here. You can change it as you wish. Let's put it 1. Put the marksheet column name. Say I'll put half yearly. And you need to put the formula expression. In order to put the formula expression, there is an icon which will guide you with several suggestions and instructions. Click on it and here are some suggestions. There's an icon here, clicking on which you will find some suggestions or instructions for using the table here. It says, in order to open the suggestion box, press comma, and in order to generate the grade of the student, this is the formula expression, and this is the formula expression for generating the rank at subject level. Close it. As per the instructions, press comma and some suggestions would be highlighted. Let's choose half yearly. You'll see that the exam category along with the exam name starts with @ and ends with a $sign. You'll also find an option here with the help of which you can create the content of the footer as per your requirement. There are options like no footer, sum and average. If you choose no footer, then in the column at the end you will find it blank. If you choose sum, then in the footer there would be the summation of all the marks, and if you choose average, then in the footer you'll find the average. So let's choose sum in the footer, where you'll be able to see the summation of all the marks that have been scored in the half yearly exam. So the expressions and the other requirements that we have filled are mandatory here. Alright, the serial number controls the sequence in which the columns would be arranged in the mark sheet. The mark sheet column becomes the title of the column in the mark sheet, and the formula expression contains the references of different exam results and arithmetic operations among them. And the footer would contain either the summation of marks or average of marks, and if you choose no footer, then the footer would be blank. In order to create multiple columns, you need to click on this symbol, which is the plus symbol, and the serial number would be shown by default. This time put the mark sheet column again, let's say annual, press comma again to open the suggestion box. This time the second column would be on the basis of annual exam, and again let's choose sum, so that in the footer the summation of all the marks scored in the annual exam would appear. Again click on this symbol. This time the third column would be total, press comma again, let's choose summative half yearly, and in order to show the total of half yearly as well as annual marks, let's put a plus sign here and again press comma and then choose summative annual, so that in the third column you'll get the summation of the half yearly as well as the annual exam marks, and choose the footer as sum. Again click on the plus sign here so that we can make a fourth column. This time it would be grades. Again click on this icon for the instruction. In order to generate the grade, you need to put this expression, so copy it, close the box, and then put the grade name, say G1 was the grade which has already been configured. We need to choose any one of them. Choosing the grade name will define how you want to maintain the grading system in the mark sheet. So let's choose G1 as the grade name, put an equal to sign, then put the expression and press comma, This time the grades would be on the basis of, say, half yearly. Then put a closing bracket. There would be a blank space for grades, so choose no footer. And if you want to generate the grade according to the annual exams marks, so put grades once again, and this time the grade would be on the basis of the annual exam. Press comma, annual exam, and then put a closing bracket. Click on the plus sign again, and this time the column name would be rank and the expression would be, choose the expression from here, fx rank at subject level, copy it, paste the same expression here, and press comma again. Choose the exam name on which the rank would be dependent, or you can also choose the column name. The column name would be highlighted or begin with a hash sign and would end with an exclamation sign. You can see here the column names that we have put as half yearly, annual, total, grades, all are highlighted here. So let's say the rank would be dependent on the total of half yearly and annual. You can either put both half yearly and annual, that is this particular expression, or you can also put the column name which is a total, and that would calculate the ranks of the student on the basis of the combination of the marks of half yearly as well as annual. Because this column name has been defined as the combination the half yearly and the annual exam. So let's choose a total. Alright, and the rank would be calculated on the basis of the total marks scored in both half yearly and annual. And again, choose the footer as average. That would calculate the rank of the student. And once done with creating the templates, we can now click on submit. So here we can see that the template name that we have just created has been saved. Again, if you want to make any changes, check the box here, click on open, make the changes here whatever you want. Say if you want to add another column, you can add here, and if you want to delete the column, click on this symbol that would delete the column. So we will have 6 multiple columns in the mark sheet. Now click on submit, and if you want to delete the template name, choose the template name and then click on delete. That would directly delete the template name. So we have seen how we can configure the mark sheet template and also how to edit the templates and to delete them. In this window, the details are available. The template that we have just created is for session 2016, the class section, the exam category as well, and in the end, the marksheet template name. Thank you very much.